Ka Reserve Bank of India Shillong ha kan nyautrik uni ubnai kam neibynta ka Yakob All India Quiz Competition da Pynman go ya ka district level quiz competition hajrong kapang financial literacy hajar pole ko ya to wa ki kam poisa poilan neibynta ki khana class 8 hadu class 10 ko West Jaiñtia Hills District wa ka East Jaiñtia Hills District hayutran in latlabo jwai ki khana da mi khmat ki mar arngut na ki skur sarkar yong jarjar ka district Kenika kuis da Pynman yo penclur ya ki khana wo tip ki chapang ki kam poisa poilan yo Pynman ya ki wo chong chnong ki wada tip de che yo pengkup borlang ya kari. Ki thup yu ke li to ki wa to wa iru kom kre kam ki bang wa kam ju ki kam poisa poilan yong ki wo bon ki jaki wa ki wa to le wa ka G20. Hawakut ya kenika kuis dara da kanong talang government secondary school hewa ar da yo da ka sokha government high secondary school kat wa yevele de yo da ka Jawai Public School neibynta ka West Jaiñtia Hills District. Na East Jaiñtia Hills District 1 the job da ka Sutanga Government UP School with the board sa ka Rambai Government Secondary School hewa ar kat wa yevele de yo da ka Tep Kandai Government UP School. Yaki wa job de ile da ka song poisa de lang wa ki certificates. Ki wa job kat tu daw neibynta ki ha ka state level quiz competition ka wa daw board one sa ka zonal level quiz Wadaw pengkut da ka national level quiz ka wadaw Pynman hei por wa Pynman ya ka yalang wa hedu ka G20. Nei liang ki wa neibynta kam ju ki wa sikai skur da pensngau ku ya kimen wa yero ya ka RBI wa da Pynman go ya kam gani ka quiz.
In this quiz because without you this quiz would have never been possible. Now Reserve Bank of India has been conducting camps and we give a lot of emphasis to financial literacy. So that every citizen of the country becomes financially literate. We have been conducting camps and as you all are aware that a financially literate country is a key to economic development. We have been conducting camps through various modes like radio jingles, advertisement, messages, Nukkad Natak, and we are targeting various groups. And student is one of the important part in those groups because you are the future of our country. Now, while we are conducting these camps, the only focus is financial literacy. Even today's quiz is an effort to again spread financial literacy. The winners of today's quiz will get cash prize and certificate, and the winning team will represent the district in a state level quiz. And if the winners of the state level quiz will again participate in a zonal quiz, and then on the winners will participate in a national level quiz which will be held during the G20 event.